Preposition of time. Learn how to use in, on, at with time. What is preposition of time? A preposition of time shows when something happens. For example, I go to school at 7 o'clock. We use at for specific times. For example, at 5 o'clock, or at night, or at noon. We use on for specific days and dates. For example, on Monday, on my birthday, on December 25th. We use in for month, years, parts of the day. For example, in the morning, in January, in 2025. It's quiz time. She goes to school 7 o'clock. In, on, or at? Which is the correct answer? Great job! The correct answer is at. Now you know when to use in, on, and at. Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more grammar videos. Bye!